Introducing Wicked Waste Incorporated, your trusted partner for premier dumpster rental service. With a commitment to excellence in sustainability, we offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to meet the diverse needs of our clients. At Wicked Waste Incorporated, we pride ourselves on providing a comprehensive range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project, big or small. Our efficient and reliable service ensures that your dumpster is delivered on time and picked up promptly, allowing you to focus on your work without interruptions. Environmental responsibility is a cornerstone of our operations. Wicked Waste Incorporated is dedicated to sustainable waste management practices, adhering to all regulations and prioritizing recycling whenever possible. Our knowledgeable team is always ready to assist you in selecting the right dumpster size and rental duration for your specific needs. We provide transparent pricing, flexible rental terms, and a seamless rental process, making us the go-to provider for waste management solutions. By choosing our services, you contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable future. For reliable and efficient dumpster rental service, contact Wicked Waste Incorporated today at 267-899-2100 or visit our website at www.wickedwastepa.com. Wicked Waste Incorporated, your partner in building a cleaner, greener future.